Happy New Year all, and I know it's been a while. Well, I've been busy and the weather's been decidedly iffy. Yes indeed, busy decorating. And I had hoped to take the Stratos down to a track just south of Phoenix with Mike from IDR. Yes, we've been rebuilding the Porsche, the 944 with the Chevy small block, and we were going to do some testing down there because Mike has membership. But that didn't happen because the motor wasn't quite ready. Other than that, it's been pretty much under wraps. As I say, we've had some unusually inclement weather for the time of year here in Sedona, Arizona. But I did manage to get out for a little spin. I hope you enjoyed that little jaunt, and there'll be plenty more in the spring for sure. Thanks as always for tuning in and watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe down there because we need more subscribers. Talking of which, encourage others to watch my lunacy.